Nadine here today, and I'm going to be creating a pretty clean and simple card using some Hero Art stamps and also the die cuts set that goes with it. I'm using some Imagine embossing powder in their clear and also iridescent, and several different colors Versacolor inks and a sponge dauber as well. So to get started, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Versacolor. This is Misty Mauve. And the other thing, I guess I should say, is I'm going to be using a stencil, 2 stencils actually, and I'm going to layer them on top of one another. So what I want is just a circular, so it's going to be a circular image onto my card. And figure out where I want it, and then just using some washi tape, I'm going to stick the stencil. These 2 stencils together so they don't slide apart. And then also stick the stencil down to my mat, and then taking the Misty Mauve and the sponge dauber, so I'm just going to keep dabbing the ink onto the stencil until I get the image completely covered. Okay, now that I got it all filled in, I decided I wanted it slightly darker, so I'm going to take the Lilac in the Versacolor and just lightly go over the top of it. I don't want a lot of this because I'm going to do the flowers in this and I don't want it to be too close to the same color. Now that I have that on there, I'm going to take the, that one is clear, the iridescent embossing powder, and just dump that right over the top. There we go. So now that the background piece is done, I'm going to take my stamps, and for the center of the flower, I am going to use Canary, and then just clean each one of the stamps off with the StazOn stamp cleaner. The next layer is Lilac. I had used these stamps for a previous project a while ago, and silly me, never cleaned them, so they got stained pretty badly. So the next color I'm going to use is Violet. And now this is Indigo. Now that I got that all done, I am going to use the clear embossing powder. There we go. I'm going to repeat all the same steps doing the smaller flower. Okay, both of my flowers are stamped, and I have die cut them out, as you can see. Now going back to the first piece I made, kind of get an idea of where I'm going to place the flowers onto my card. And then taking the sentiment, best wishes, right about there is where I'm going to want it. I'm going to use the Lilac again. And then stamping my sentiment. And then I'm going to heat emboss the sentiment with the iridescent again. There we go. Sentiment is now embossed. I'm going to attach this onto the back of, or onto my card base that I used matching cardstock on with some tear-it tape. And then attaching my flowers with some 3D foam adhesive. And there we go. A clean and simple card. Thank you so much for watching, and visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration.